Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make crispy fried potatoes in a special fish masala. This I usually make for snack time when we want something to munch on. You will not believe how a simple potato gets transformed and taken to a whole different level with these simple everyday ingredients. Take a look. Come on.
We will start with the masala paste. These herbs and spices combine to make one sensational concoction, which you can use for a lot of other dishes too. Now remember, we have used green chilies, so you can adjust the red chili powder as per how much or how less spicy you like. You can substitute lemon juice instead of tamarind pulp. I'm going to use very little water at a time to make a thick smooth paste. Looks like we'll need a little more water. Make sure it's not watery. Please slice the potatoes and apply the prepared masala paste evenly. Try to coat the potatoes as evenly as possible with the masala paste. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel for a lot more yummy recipes coming your way. We don't need to marinate these. Now these are ready to be fried. Now I'm going to coat these evenly with the semolina and fry them until golden. The semolina will give a nice crispy coating to the potatoes once they are fried. Shallow fry on medium flame, turning only once. Let one side fry completely before you turn to the other side. Drizzle more oil if needed. Turn to the other side, and here I have just moved the outside slices inside for even frying. These are fried well and it's the perfect color we are looking for. What an incredible snack, ready in no time.
Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, you can leave in the comments below. Plus, I know you are eager to learn new and quick and easy recipes. Let me know in the comments below if there is any specific recipe you want to know, and I'll be happy to show you. Thank you so much and see you next week. Bye.